Hey, it's Bob's Containers. Today we're doing an install of a multi-unit office. That's two 40-foot containers side by side, makes a nice 16 by 40 space. This is an example of a business here in Austin that's growing fast and need more office space. Takes a while to take a building, so we're dropping these container offices as a temporary semi-permanent solution. We don't know. So here they have an extra parking spot. We're gonna install them here in the corner. What I did is I moved the other containers out of the way, storage, and now we're maneuvering these to get set. A lot of times we use a crane. In this situation, that was gonna take longer and be more expensive. So we brought a forklift. We're using our container dolly wheels to move them around. And so what you're gonna see in the next video is us swinging this around, where the forklift's one end, dolly wheels are on the container. We roll in this place, drop it, level it, bring the next one, put them side by side. Trying to get this done in a record time, which is under 3 hours. We're trying to push ourselves and kind of show how simple this can be. Another no-brainer here at Bob's Containers.